Devops. In the Devops, we've seen about the topic as Jenkins. Jenkins is an open source extensible automation service. So generally it's used for continuous integration and continuous delivery in software development. That is the main usage here. And also Jenkins allows developers to automate the building, testing and deployment of applications, ensuring that code changes are integrated and delivered reliably. And also Jenkins is one of the most common CI, continuous integration and continuous deployment tools in industry. Has a strong enterprise ecosystem. That means cloud-based offers enterprises Jenkins and managed services. Netflix, Aqua and many enterprises using Jenkins for cloud-based. Jenkins are cloud-based for CI/CD. So generally CI/CD Jenkins is mainly used for the continuous integration and continuous delivery purposes. And this is the block diagram of Jenkins pipeline, and in the block diagram has overall version control, Jenkins controller and target, and mainly what are the terms inside the block diagram. That means the webhooks, checkout, Articraft, plugins, agents, build, tools, text, report and deployment. So this is the overall block diagram of version control. Usually, so version control pushes to Jenkins. Jenkins the entire controller. So that means connects via git plugin on push webhooks notifies Jenkins. Okay, version control generally stores the source code and tracks changes, enables collaboration in Jenkins. This is mainly done by version control. So in version control GitHub, it's a safe online box where developers save all app code. So every changes is saved with the name, date and who did it. So we can change by using this Jenkins tool. So it's developed by version control, like a diary that never loses a pages and can back into time. So Jenkins always reads the latest version from here. So that means Jenkins always reads the latest version from version control. So without it, Jenkins would not do what to do, because all the entire data, the version control only store the source code. So all the latest information, whether it is whatever the condition, it always stores in the version control only. So always Jenkins reads the latest version, latest data, whatever it may be, take from the version control only. Webhooks. So webhooks is a smart doorbell. So connected between GitHub and Jenkins. The smart connected between GitHub and Jenkins. That means so small rings instantly when someone pushes new code. So small rings instantly comes to the doorbell connected between GitHub and Jenkins. So it sends a message, a new update it comes. So start work. So this kind of messages provided by webhooks makes everything automatic, no waiting for clicking. So without it, Jenkins would sleep and miss new code. So if the webhooks only give what are the apps come, new pushes, new codes, so the entire doorbell give to the Jenkins only. If the webhooks is not present means Jenkins don't know the new code. This is the major work of webhook. And next one is Jenkins controller. So Jenkins controller is the master brain. So like the main boss robot that runs on a server. In the entire server, the Jenkins controller only can serve the entire things. So that means plan jobs, watches progress and give others. So social dashboard like a teacher's gradebook. If you that means so new build never builds itself, just tells other what to do. So it does not do anything Jenkins control, but it can but the entire things do by this only. So that means the brain of the whole Jenkins factory. So this is the Jenkins controls. So just tells other parameters, other controllers, other CICDs what to do. So the entire things tell by the Jenkins controller only. So plugins and tools. So small magic adds on the give Jenkins new powers, that is plugins. So let it talk to the Docker, Slack, AWS and 1,000 plus tools of plugins. So like giving a bike rocket booster softwares, like what was installed easily from Jenkins plugin store. Without them Jenkins would be very basic. So this is all the advanced things are in the inside the Jenkins tools. If inside the Jenkins plugin store we can install easily, so without that Jenkins would be very basic. That means so it provide the new versions, new powers and easy installments, easy works. So the entire tools is inside the Jenkins agents. Helper robots, that means helper robots means computers that do the real work. So build, test, deploy on separate machines can be DVMS Docker. So cloud parts very flexible. Never get tired and can work on many jobs at once. The hands and legs of Jenkins. This is the hands and hands and legs of Jenkins. That means so whatever the work comes newly, so automatically it can do the entire work. It cannot tire, so it can work on many jobs even though once. That is the main work of agents. Checkout. So first step, grabs fresh code from GitHub. So checkout, that means what is the purpose of checkout? That means first step, grab fresh code from GitHub. Second, picking the latest instructions. Third, it clean new copy and old junk. So always gets a new clean and new copy, no old junk. So old resources, all those it's clean and it keeps fresh as the new copy of the data. So uses git clone or check out some SCM command, stores every build with the right code. So next, building. So puts all code places together into a working app. So that is run commands like npm maven package. So simply install npm maven packages. So the npm maven so automatically turns code into a real app, website or game. So happens a clean space, so it always the same, and creates something ready to test. That means automatically it can build the entire code. So turns code into the real app. So that is the main job of the maven package and npm. So in the build cases works. So simply build the entire code. So that means whatever so ready to test. Before testing it builds something. So test. So plays with the app to find mistakes fast. So run auto test like JUnit or robot clicks. So if anything breaks, stop everything immediately. So that means show reports with green or red. So make surely only good apps to go live. So that is the main purpose in the test. That means so if during the test period if anything correction is present, so automatically it stop the code. So when only when the code all the entire correction entire the bug is clear, then only it gives the green. So automatically it moves on the good condition. So make sure surely so good apps only go live, so wrong app does not live. So this is the main purpose of test. So artifact. So save the final app like .jar or doctor image. Okay. So puts it in a labeled box with a build name. So let's download, reuse or go back later. Store save it safely in Jenkins for many days. This is the artifacts, and also the finished app ready for launch. This is the main use of artifacts. And artifacts, that means it's a combination of the group of family. So entire family like a particular product. So this is known as the artifact also. and deploy. So puts the working app on real service or phones. So can go to start, think first, then production. Uses safe tricks like canary or blue green. So like sometimes need a human OK button. So makes the app live for real users. This work is done by deploy block. A notification sends a message one will sends good or bad. So goes to Slack. So email, phone or Teams say build 100 succeeded or failed, fix it. So, okay. So keep the whole team in the loop fast like a loudspeaker in the factory. Like.
Sir, if SPMO, DCC.
So that's
SPM morning, sir. DCC afternoon, sir.